Being a fur parent is a beautiful mix of love, chaos, responsibility, and a little bit of what did I just step on moments. When you first get a dog, you think you're just adding a cute companion to your life. What you don't realize is that you're also hiring a full-time shadow, food inspector, and emotional support officer who follows you everywhere, even to the bathroom. Yes, privacy officially no longer exists. But behind all the funny moments, being a fur parent means responsibility. It means waking up early for walks, even when you'd rather stay in bed. It means making sure they're healthy, fed, safe, and loved every single day. It means understanding that their whole world revolves around you. Dogs may chew your slippers, steal your socks, and act like they haven't eaten in 3 days, even though you just fed them 5 minutes ago. But they also give something priceless in return: unconditional love. No judgments, no bad intentions, just pure happiness every time they see you, even if you only left the house for 5 minutes. So, yes, being a fur parent can be messy, noisy, and sometimes expensive, but it's also one of the most rewarding kinds of love. Because at the end of the day, when your dog curls up beside you, looks at you with those big eyes, and wags their tail like you're the best person in the world, you realize one thing: we may be their whole world, but they become our whole heart.